Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at this. It is an HP LaserJet printer, the smallest LaserJet printer in its class, and HP makes a great printer. Great definition, very fast speeds, ties into ALEXA, available with Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. I love this thing because now I'm old school, so I will connect it with USB, but it is also Bluetooth enabled. And again, like I said, you can tie it into your ALEXA device. HP has been known for their printers and their printing power for decades, and the fact that you can get a laser printer. Now, why do you want a laser printer? One of the big things is price. You get great value with a laser printer. The cost per sheet is ridiculously low compared to an inkjet. So if you're looking to save money in the long run, laser printers are where to go. You're not spending a ridiculous amount of money on cartridges. And we know, we've always seen those really expensive cartridges to refill. This comes installed with all the toner you need, and then the toner replacements are super cheap. Also, the overall price on this is fantastic. These have come down greatly over the years, and HP just makes a great quality printer. So if you're looking for a great printer, then HP they're the brand, they're the ones to beat, and this is absolutely phenomenal. So order today, you won't be disappointed.